Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Triangle Red Bean Zongzi in Heartopia. So in this new event, Heartopia has an event that called the Dragon Boat Festival event, and in this event you can cook any special food, any new special food, and one of them is this Triangle Red Bean Zongzi. And to cook this food, first you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock it is very easy. First just go to your stove and then just choose this original recipe. You can get this original recipe from the exchange store at the Dragon Boat Festival. And then after that just complete all the ingredients. In here you need the bamboo leaf and then paddy that you can get it at the gardening hobby, and you can get this seed from the NPC plug and then just plant them at your home. And then after that, for the another ingredients, you need 2 red beans like this. And then next, just simply tap on start cooking. Like this, just like that, you will successfully making the triangle red bean zongzi, and from this you can automatically unlock this recipe, and the recipe will be added to your recipe list like this. Like this, you can see it's already unlocked. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.